happy April 1st. I'm so excited. Today we are going to be planning in my Plum paper planner. I'm very excited. If you guys remember, I did receive a sticker kit from Plum paper at the Chicago Planner Conference. I actually have, I think, like 3 or 4 sets, and I'm gonna use it for the very first time to see how they work in my planner. But this one is, they do have a subscription so that if every month you want to get their sticker collection in, you can order it and do a monthly subscription. So here's Plum paper. This is a 7x9 March collection sticker kit. So again, this is the March collection. And then what you get is 2 smaller sheets. That's these right here. And then you get this one that has like to-dos, notes, remember, errands. Then we have this one right here that has a washi border. I already used this one in my test planner, but I have one more left. You got payday, spring has sprung. Then you have some super fun decorative stickers, and then there's this one right here. But yeah, I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through. This is my cover. As you can see, it has the hardcover. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. If you enjoy what you see, give my video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And then here we have the cover. It says Ellie Cornell, Planning with Ellie. There is beauty within simplicity. So then on this side, I just added a marble blue theme washi tape, and then I added my name at the bottom. I might add some sticky notes on here, like a sticky note dashboard, so I have some on hand. And then here we have the 2020 yearly layout. I already crossed out January, February, now we're on to April, and then I'll cross them off as the months go by. This is 2021. Here we have the special dates layout. So what I'm going to use this one for is just to note all the birthdays in my family or in our family. So far I have my dad, my puppies, my mom, my daughter, my brother, my boyfriend, my sister, and me. And I have to get my nephews because for the life of me I can never remember their birthday. So yeah, I'm just going to be filling all the birthdays out, and so I decorated it with some cute balloons and little gifts and hearts. And then over here in this section, this is, I forgot what this is ideas and plans. So you can basically use this however. I ended up adding these day headers that were from Sarah's shop, and I'm going to be using this as a monthly bill for the home. So my mother-in-law lives in Ecuador, and me and my boyfriend are in charge of paying her mortgage, the gas, 2 gas bills, and the light bill. And then we're in charge of collecting the rent. So I figured I can just write it down for every month that goes by. So for example, we already sent the mortgage, so I checked that out. I put due in April. Then when we go pay the bills, the gas 1, gas 2, and the light bill, I'll just check those off and then collect the rent. So yes. And then I'll keep doing that. So we got April, then we'll go on to March, etc. So that's how I'm going to use it. Over here on this side, I added a clear pocket. This is an adhesive pocket that you can get from Amazon. I'll try to find the link and leave it down below, but it's large and I love it. So I was like, you know, I always need to have pockets in my planner. I added some washi tape at the top and at the bottom, and then I added these trackers. I'm trying to drink a lot more water, so I figured these would be great. They used to be from Sarah's shop, and I just love them. You have multiple colors, and these are all colors that I use all the time, so they'll go nicely. Then I have a food and then a recycle, since I use these a lot as well. So I'll be keeping these in here, and if I need to, I can always alternate them. If I need another pocket, I do have another one, so I can always add it. Now, for the dividers itself, you don't get anything decorative, you just get a plain divider. So what I did was I had this really large sticker collection that has really large quotes, and I found this one, so I decided to just put it on here for the month of April. I kind of messed up right here a little bit, so it's like stickiness, but it says do what is right, not what is easy. And then you have April, and then that's where we begin. So we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to add our stickers. As you can see, you have the 3 circles with the washi liners. So we're going to go ahead and add them right here. This is a great planner. I absolutely love it, and I think I'm gonna have so much fun with it. I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue one on this side. I think I'm gonna have to stand up so I can see what I'm doing. Sorry. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the purple one up here. Look at how cute that looks. So if you don't want to write on these, you can only write on this one, because for example, like me, I really don't need like a whole ton of space. So this is good for just like a decorative piece. Maybe I could do like a stay bold or stay brave or be brave, you know, just a quick quote and then maybe a quick reminder. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our washi border right here. That cuts nicely. Now if I don't want to use that for birthdays because I already have my birthday one, I can add any other section on here. Perfect. So then we have things to remember. I think this one was supposed to go down here and this one goes up there, but see, it's a learning thing. I've never had this planner, so it's good to learn. That way on the next one I know where things go. Perfect, so that's all set. And then here for this, I'm gonna do my monthly bills here, my personal bills on this page. So let's see what we can add. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. This one just says 2020. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on there. I love the color. And then I guess I'm gonna have to have my April show. Or maybe I could just put my own April at the top. Because I know that's gonna bother me. There we go. See? Learning. Alright, and then what do we have? Anything that I can use? I'm gonna put this one right here. And then I'll put my bills for April or something like that, right? These are all weekends. Okay, I think I'm gonna see if I can, I'm gonna deck this up in Easter. So let's go ahead and add one of these chicks just to throw in an Easter decal. If you guys saw, I used this sticker book for my happy planner and it came out so cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, because it's always fun to also add your own stickers. I'm gonna put my little lamb right there. I love how chunky this planner is. So cute. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Yay, that's so cute. Perfect. And then we'll put the carrot down. There we go. All right, so that one's all set. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our monthly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do I don't have any coral. I want to do the yellow. Let's do this one. Let's do this green right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the washi tape because these lines are so thin. Let me see. I was gonna put it right there, but okay. That looks like it's working nicely. If you guys haven't checked out the Plum paper, you definitely should. This video is definitely not sponsored. I decided to purchase their planner from when I was at the Chicago Planner Conference. But they have so many options, you guys, like so many options that can help you decide what is the planner of your choice, or at least you know the layouts. And you can also get the paper printed, and they'll mark, and then you can punch your own holes if you want a ring planner. So that's another great option. I might consider that for next year because I also love ring planners. Alright, let's go ahead and keep adding our washi tape, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, that's what it looks like with the washi all in. It looks so pretty. And then let me see if there's anything I can add. We already kind of missed our first day of spring. I can always use it next year. We can do spring cleaning because that's definitely what I've been doing. We'll mark that. Let's see, take out spring wardrobe. That's a good one. What else? Garden, weekend getaway, nail appointment, movie night. We've been doing a lot of movie nights because there's nothing else to do. What else? And then picnic, can't do picnic. Oh, and then technically it's spring break. So there we have our little icons, and then we can add these. These are like little corner. These are like little corner stickers. How cute is that? And then we'll do this one to add a hint of blue. Sorry, I feel like I'm working slowly, but I'm having fun. I was gonna do this yesterday or on Sunday off of camera, but I was like, no, let me share it with my subscribers. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Alright, and then I think we're good with that. Do we want to add any stickers? Maybe we can do some basic spring stickers. That's cute. Ooh, this one's really pretty with the green that I got going on with my washi tape. Love that. And then we'll add, might as well get use out of these, right? We'll add a little bunny. Let's add our jelly. Ah, that's so cute. And then so you don't have to be afraid to combine stickers. Look at how cute that looks. Very simple but super cute. Alright, now as far as this goes, I'm going to be doing this on a daily basis because it is a daily planner. But I can do the decor with you guys for now until I figure out like how I'm going to do this. So I think I'm going to add this one up here. And then I think I'll add my own date cover to it. That way I can use up this washi. it's scripted. Alright. Then you got to do. Then we got, do we have any important? Wait, I'm gonna add this one at the bottom. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'll add a little sticker here and there. So let's see. We'll add this one right here. And then we'll add, this is chores, right? So we'll put the little laundry basket here for chores. And we'll do the trash. Alright, and then lastly, I think I'm going to go ahead and add my little bullets. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here. I'm just going to kind of alternate the colors. Perfect. Alright, and then I think I'm just going to finalize it by, again, just using random little stickers. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here. I'll put my little daily quote there. And then alright, you guys, and that's pretty much it. That is my April setup in my new Plum planner. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any ideas on how I can film my plan with me's, because it is a daily, so here we got Monday, Tuesday, or let's see, April 1st, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then it continues that way. So if you guys have any ideas as to how I can film it, I'm going to brainstorm this whole week, and we'll see what I come up with. If you have questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much, and as always, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!